Guys, and welcome to another video of reviewing Nerf guns. Now, last time I saw you, we reviewed the Modulus. Pretty cool gun. Now we're reviewing the Lawbringer. Pretty cool gun. It is the Doomlands series, and this is my first Doomlands gun. I'm a starter out. I'm not that good. Okay. So, as you can see, the Doomlands is a really cool gun. Let me go over the parts. First part, the storage, the bullet storage. It can hold 12 darts. And believe it or not, you can there's a lot of holding grips. And these won't come out unless you hold them straight up. I'm gonna shake this. They won't come out until you force them out or you want them out. See? And by the way, this can take Nerf Elite darts. I just don't think the Doomlands darts aren't that good as the Nerf Elite darts. Okay, so to trigger it, you pull this thing here. It's there, and you shoot and you pull the trigger right here. To rotate the barrel, you actually pull the orange thing too. Here's the black things are the holding grips. If you're interested in them, I would actually like these. So I am actually going to change my name of my YouTube channel. Everyone's going to think that I like Skywars. Okay. So, let's see the caution on this. Do not aim at eyes or face to avoid injury. Use only darts designed for this product. Do not modify darts or Gary Blaster. Okay, so let's fire this. Sometimes it jams like this, guys. All you have to do, fire a non-one, and then fire the real one. Wait, sorry, this gun is really messed up. It's really old. Okay, that's why it's popping out. There. Okay, there was an empty one. Sometimes it doesn't rotate. Don't know why that is. Now, let's go over how some of the extension, well, actually put on rows. There's 1, 2, and that's all. Very disappointing. I forgot this one jams a lot. Let's move this over. Okay, so you see how this fires? Pretty simple. I would use this gun if it wasn't jammed a lot. Let's see. Yeah. Oh, sure, it isn't jammed now. Yeah, sure, it's not jammed now. Okay, so I would actually choose this gun for a little thing for Doomlands stuff. I wouldn't do it against N-Strike Elite, like the Modulus, because you'll get creamed. Okay? So, I would use this gun if you were doing against another Doomlands. Small Doomlands. Not the big ones. Okay, guys. That is the Lawbringer. If you have any comments about how this works, again, if you haven't seen this video, please leave it in the comments and I will read it. And I will answer you. Okay, guys. see you later. Bye. Signing out.
Did you see that?